Hey, in this video I will share with you how I made 3,500 euro in one day with this one affiliate offer, and I will also share with you step-by-step strategy and plan that I have applied to achieve these results. So let's jump in, and I will show you over here first what is actually basically my system. So here in PowerPoint I have made this slide for you so you can see what exactly is my step-by-step system. You see over here we have the first step, which is buyers clicks. This means solo ads. Those are the visitor from ultra buyers traffic that are sent to your second step, which is affiliate link. And from your affiliate link, we generate sales. So only those three simple steps. It's all about simplicity and generating results. So what you can do is, for example, if you go over here, we go to ClickBank. So you go to ClickBank, and over here you can see you can type in John Crestani or super affiliate system. Now why super affiliate system? You can choose any other offer, but I would suggest to go with the high ticket or let's say mid ticket offer if you're using buyers traffic. So you can generate much more higher commissions, because only one sale, as you can see here, can generate $660 for you. Now later you will see why this is important. And now if you generate only two sales, you get $1,200 US. Now what you have to do is click on this promote button. So we click here, and you can see over here you get paid 50% commission, so you have to put your account nickname here. So whatever your ClickBank ID is when you signed up for your free affiliate account, you put it over here, you type it in. Now tracking ID is of course optional, so you can track. I would put in buyers traffic, and then what you do over here is choose landing page default and then generate hop links. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to generate affiliate link for yourself. So generate hop links and scroll down. So if you scroll down, you have here your link, and what you can do is just copy this link. So you can click copy here, and or just choose from here till the end and then click copy. And now once you have copied, you go to this website, and again the link is going to be below this video, and you go over here, you see commissions on demand, so buyerstrafficondemand.com, and the link is below this video, and you see this is our site where you can buy and get buyers traffic sent straight to your affiliate link. So you can see over here you can also contact me on Facebook or for done for you campaigns. Now what you have to do is, for example, over here you can see what results are also other people just like you getting right now. They are promoting low ticket and high ticket offers on ClickBank and also on other affiliate platforms. You can see some of the results of my students over here from my mentorship program, which is done for you and done with you. And so how it works, you can see over here, like I said, you have the first step, which is get buyers ultra clicks, and then we send traffic which is super targeted to your affiliate link, and from your affiliate link you generate sales. So it's really highly targeted. You don't need any website at all. You just need to copy and paste your affiliate link like I showed you before. Now why this traffic converts? This traffic converts because it's a 85% top tier traffic, and it's highly targeted traffic, and because it's offer and solution aware audience. What I mean by that? I mean by that because let's look at, for example, you have many different audiences, as you know. You have totally unaware audiences, you have aware audiences, you have solution aware, offer aware, and then you have niche aware audiences, right? Not all of them equal sales. Why? Because if someone is not aware of the product, they most likely won't buy. But we have the audience who is already pre-sold and pre-framed on the niche that you are in, especially BizOp niche or weight loss niche, and they are already pre-framed and pre-sold. They have the past history of purchasing exact same products like we are offering as an affiliate. This is why it's really important that you understand the quality of audiences. Not all audiences are the same. That's why we have proven results, and also of course buyers included. Now if you purchase, you're also getting 50% bonus buyers. So it means, for example, if you click on 250 ultra buyers clicks, you get more than 350 buyers clicks for $500 US. And also right now we have the offer to get 50% bonus buyers for 500 ultra buyers clicks. This means that for $1,000 you're getting not only 500 clicks but 750 qualified clicks straight to your affiliate link. So what you have to do is just copy the affiliate link like I showed you before, and over here you see you put your email here, then you put your name, email, your phone number, and copy and paste affiliate link. So you just copy and paste the affiliate link, and then you can check out by PayPal or PayPal credit. And once you're done, you're immediately getting autoresponder email, and we can connect one-on-one if you have any questions, so you can also get some sales with this method. Now, if you have any more questions, please let me know below this video or connect with me on my Facebook. And as I said, here are all the links that you can find on my website. So thank you for watching.